The digital erasure. 1. Fading echoes of memory. The evening drizzle fell over London like damp lace, blurring neon that clawed through murk. Oliver Kang stood on the underground platform, breath misting with the metallic tang of the rail. The train shuddered in, its doors yawned and swallowed commuters into a humming belly. Inside, the carriage was a sardine tin of faces lit by phone glare. Oliver gripped the cool steel pole with one hand, his other a white-knuckled hold on his phone. A sharp ping cleaved the lull. Airdrop, a name with no face. He opened it. In 5 days, you will be logged out. The message lodged like a blade. The train tunneled through the city's veins. CCTV eyes blinked mechanical above. By his stop, the words had carved grooves into him. The Thames lay a black ribbon as he threaded the wet streets home. In his flat, the laptop's pallid light was a single constancy. Photos stuttered and vanished. Emails winked out. Each deletion tugged at the edge of him. Fingers on the keyboard found a trace, an IP flaring like a deliberate signature, too precise to be accident. Outside, fog thickened. The city felt surveilled and patient. The clock ticked. The erasure had begun. He realized then, with a cold, clinical clarity, that someone unseen was watching the whole waltz.